Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS3750i or 3700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to download and install the driver for this printer. You need to go to Laptop Start, select on Google, then search Canon Support. Canon Support. Then select Customer Product Support. Then scroll down. This printer is Pixima. Select on the Pixima, then scroll down. Select the series, TX series. It will show you all the TS series available. So look from the list, Canon TS3750i. Select on it. It will show you Canon Pixima TS3750i. Then select drivers. It will show you individual drivers, TS3750i, MP drivers. Operating system is picked up Windows 11. Operating system dictated. If you have different system, you scroll down to select different or view all operating system you can select. So Windows 11 is selected. Then scroll down, select download. Select download. So the file is downloaded. Double click it to open, or you go to File Explorer and select download. So select the file. Go to File Explorer if you like. Then select downloads. It will show you the file. Double click it to open. It will show you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then select yes. Canon IJ installer. Welcome to driver installer setup program. Then you select next. Then you select next. Select your region. I'm in United Kingdom, Europe. Select next. Licensing agreement. Then scroll down and read the licensing agreement. Then select yes. Then you will look for the printer. So this printer is found TS3700 series. Show you serial number and connection. Select on the printer Wi-Fi. Then select next. Show you installing. Would you like to install device software? Select yes. So it's installing. Canon IJ driver installer. Drivers were installed successfully. Then select exit. So this is how to install the driver for this printer. If you want to check, you can also go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, then select printers and scanners. Then it will show you the printer, Canon TS3700 series. Select on the printer. This is the printer. If you select more devices and printer settings, it will show you the printer from the list. This is the printer, Canon TS3700 series. This is the printer. You can scan document, you can print document, you can print a test page to confirm. Select print a test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS3700 series on laptop. And also another thing I want to show you, if you go to the laptop settings, select printers and scanners. You can select printer server and properties, printer servers and properties. Then select drivers. And from the list, you will see Canon TS3700 series on the list. The drivers installed on this PC. If you want, you can uninstall the driver as well. So this is how to install the driver, and also how to check if the driver is installed, how to print out the test page to confirm that the driver is installed and printer and laptop are connected together. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.